But this could be your thought. What, according to you, डोंट यू थिंक कि कभी कभी ये डर भी लगता है कि व्हाट इफ दिस इज इनफ, क्योंकि जब कोई चीज शॉर्ट होती है तो एक ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी होती है हमें फील होने की कि क्या ये काफी है, इतनी जल्दी हो गया, इतना छोटा कैसे है, राइट? सो एज अ स्टूडेंट आई वुड वांट टू understand from you, because as a faculty, as a teacher, I know it's difficult to concise anything, right? Yes. But as a student on the other side, how did you tackle that problem when you saw? I'm sure कि आपके पास भी एक बार डाउट हुआ होगा, because CA में तो और ज्यादा आप लोग इतना सब कुछ पढ़ते हैं कि so how did you tackle that?
So like you said कि CA में हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, so ना I learned one thing from that, to trust the faculty. मतलब आप अपना search में time, you invest your time into search. Once you search and finalize the content ना, you should trust into the faculty, because covering 100% is not possible for everyone. ये competitive exam है, we also don't know कि क्या नया आ जाएगा. We have a estimated syllabus, but it's not sure कि hard and fast इसी से आएगा. So covering 100% is not possible. And I think a Pareto principle is quite good over here, वो 80-20 वाला rule. मतलब I think 80% cover करना is sufficient for us, because ना we don't need to get 100 marks. We just need to get better than others. So covering that 80% is quite good. And frankly speaking, मतलब मेरे को भी पहले लगा था, जब मैं कोर्स सर्च कर रहा था तो उस टाइम मैंने भी कई different platforms consider किए थे. I considered the content and all. बट जब मैंने एक बार फाइनलाइज कर लिया ना, लाइक कि हाँ आई विल गो विद आई एग्जाम भी, उसके बाद आई कंप्लीटली ट्रस्टेड ऑन द कंटेंट कि ठीक है, शॉर्ट है, जो भी है, मतलब इट इज गुड. पहले मैं एक बार ये कंप्लीट कर लूंगा, वंस इट्स एग्जॉस्टिव, ये पूरा हो जाता है, उसके बाद देन आई विल गो फर्दर, क्योंकि वी डोंट हैव एनी लिमिट्स, वी हैव गूगल, वी कैन गो फर्दर. बट द मेन पार्ट इज ना, वी नीड टू ट्रस्ट द फैकल्टी, वी नीड टू ट्रस्ट द प्लेटफॉर्म.
So I hope that trust paid off. Rishabh.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Rishabh से I almost have talked, I don't know how many times, once a month बात हो ही जाती है. So he is an exclusive user जिसमें हम 101 facility भी provide करते हैं. So you know, with Rishabh I think I have spent so many 101 sessions discussing your minute strategies, management को कैसे handle करें, याद नहीं हो रहा है, अकाउंट्स पे कितने न्यूमेरिकल्स करें, शुड आई गो बैक टू CA मटेरियल और नॉट. सो यू नो, वीव हैड दोज एंडलेस डिस्कशंस already. So I'm sure those small you know fine tuned also helps to cater, and जो doubts आते हैं. So yes, thanks for
here. मतलब I watched the Sushil sir's video. मतलब three things are important for exam. 1/3 is the content, 1/3 is the strategy, and 1/3 is your state of mind.
Yes.
तो ना जो content है वो तो it's provided there in the course. उसके बाद ना जो one-on-one रहे हैं, that was the major point. Like I remember, मैं छोटी चीज भी पूछ सकता था कि मेरे को MCQ नहीं हो रहा है. I discussed with you and you told me approach कि ऐसे करो and ऐसे करो. So I think those one-on-one were more helpful than the content. कि ठीक है, content तो सबके पास होता है, but how you execute it, आप उसको कैसे पढ़ रहे हो, कैसे उसको apply कर रहे हो, that is more important. So I think those one-on-one were very helpful for me. Actually जब exam interview आया, so I had phase 1 of SEBI lined up with me. So phase 1 we know like it's a bit easy, so I was prepared with it. So now I devoted, I think, मतलब ना interview twice. First, earlier I had my interview in April, so I had prepared that time as well, and then interview shifted to July. So it was twice of the preparation what I done, and it was a quite long period, like April से July तक ना. मैंने 2 महीने तो break ले लिया था, मतलब nothing of exam. Then I dedicated 15 to 20 days for the complete exam interview preparation. So I took a mock interview where we have a guidance earlier कि आपको क्या क्या prepare करना है from iExam भी. So on those basis मैंने वो सारा prepare किया कि mostly personal और professional. Mostly personal basis because I was quite good with professional और थोड़ा और जो मेरे को बैंक के बारे में पता करना था. I prepared all of them, a bit of the economy की GA में क्या चल रहा है, numbers क्या हैं, banking numbers क्या हैं, banking ratios क्या हैं. I prepared with them. और I think interview के पहले we had a session for that as well. I discussed with you कि मेरे को क्या क्या करना चाहिए. So based on that, I prepared. And post that, I had a mock interview with the faculty. There were two faculty members, one for the professional knowledge and GA, and the other one was the HR questions. So, like, it was not my first interview into government organizations. So I was prepared basis the private organization corporates I gave interview. So there were many pointers into that mock interview which I gave at XMB. And those pointers helped me a lot into the interview. And I would say in GA, 3 to 4 questions which we discussed in the mock interview, those exactly questions were asked from me. So that mock interview, it completely changed my approach, like how I used to be there earlier and how I actually performed there. So the complete thing is, what I'm trying to say, the mocks are very important, whether it's written or objective or interview. Those mocks are very important. So now the thing which we do into regulatory bodies, the power which they have, the actual impact into the market which they create. So that's a bit of fascinating thing for me. So that's why I plan to switch for my corporate job to regulatory bodies. And my prime focus was SEBI. And Exim Bank was a backup plan with SEBI. So I was going like that only, completely focusing on my SEBI career and studying for its syllabus. And since SEBI and Exim syllabus are, I would say, more than 70% similar, so I think it would be a great opportunity to go for Exim as well. And as such, I was already prepared for SEBI. So the notification came out in December. I was preparing. I filled for Exim. And then I went for it. While preparing for SEBI, I bought the course from iXMB. And the best thing which I got into iXMB was the crisp content, the short videos like 5 to 10 minutes video, 15 minutes video, and short PDFs like 8 to 10 pages, which don't discourage you to leave the thing. Like if we have long videos, it discourage you at the first place. And the second best thing was holistic approach. मतलब जो मेरा SEBI का syllabus था, थोड़ा उससे ज़्यादा भी covered था exam में. I know we stick to the point, but हाँ वो थोड़ा extra ने मेरे को exam में भी help किया था कि आपको आसपास का भी पता हो क्या sector में चल रहा है. So it helped me a lot.
I remember as a kid, I'll just share that with you here. So as a kid, बहुत लोगों ने ऐसा किया होगा कि जब नहीं पढ़ा जाता था ना, बहुत ज़्यादा लगता था. तो I believed at one point कि सुना था कि तकिए के नीचे बुक रख दो, सर में घुस जाएगा रात भर. So and maybe many of you have done that as a kid. I have also done that as a kid. कि जब बहुत ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाता है तो नहीं खत्म हो रहा है, चलो ये भी ट्राई करके देख लेते हैं. That's more of psychology कि खुद को वो confidence आ जाता है कि हाँ रात भर में चला गया है. So more from you, Rishabh, actually, what made you think to start preparing and what are the exams that you are targeting? I will say not really were targeting, but are targeting, yes.
So first thing is I was working into corporate, so it was a good exposure for me. But I'm specifically target regulatory bodies, specifically SEBI. So now the thing which we do into regulatory bodies, the power which they have, the actual impact into the market which they create. So that's a bit of fascinating thing for me. So that's why I plan to switch for my corporate job to regulatory bodies. And my prime focus was SEBI. And Exim Bank was a backup plan with SEBI. So I was going like that only, completely focusing on my SEBI career and studying for its syllabus.
So great. I think that's amazing. And your journey is still on. So wishing you all the best for, whatever dreams you are aiming for.